I started out as a tech advocate at being the tagline for many years. So since then, I've been actively looking at how I can do something for myself, helping people to connect to Mother Nature. My name is Glenn Ong, founder of Gemstory. I believe that everyone is a gem. This last 9 years, we have been transforming from just product-centric to experiential and activity-based workshop. We start to build a community where people can come together and then connect to all this Mother Nature, crystals, minerals in a very different context. We have had a lot of problems previously, especially towards the end of the year where we need to submit our financial data. After talking to the UOB consultant, I realized that they have an extensive offering. The reason why we chose UOB is because we know that UOB has been an advocate for SME businesses for many years. EPOS typically is our inventory management system, or in short we call it point of sale. So it allows us to track our items on a monthly basis, which are the best performing items and which are the ones that's not so good. Xero is an accounting system to track our accounts, so it frees up a lot of my time, and that's the best thing because if without all these capabilities, everything will still be manual. We have seen growth in terms of our revenue because of the way how we can track the inventory with better clarity and also having more visibility in terms of our P&L. It's so much easier for us to actually just go to the system. We don't have to manually reconcile the numbers. Without ability to understand English, my dad is able to involve in simple tasks in order for me to scale up. We need to really focus more on driving business and to actually have a better mental clarity instead of doing a lot of operation, thinking about how you got to resolve this, resolve that, right? So with all this implementation, it gives me more time to spend with my family. When it's all put in place, we can train people to take over. UOB have a full suite of solutions that caters for my needs. We are in the midst of integrating our EPOS together with our e-commerce store. So this is something that I'm very excited because we will be in an omni-channel to focus more on driving the e-commerce space and then outreach to more customers.